Hello, today we will explore the AI smile design and how to use. The goal here is to present your patient with a simulation in just a few clicks. On the main menu, choose New Patient and then click on AI Smile Design. Click on the plus sign. Select your choice among these options. You will now have a few choices to select from. Choose what best suits your patient's needs and click on AI Smile Design. Incredible result in just a few clicks. Let's explore some of these options. You also have the options to improve the picture. Simply select your choice and click on Apply. Once your patient is satisfied with the result, click on the Next button and save your case. You can use your AI Smile Design to guide you on the 3D design being created. Select 3D layers. Then move the layers bars to transparent. Now we can see the original picture, and by moving the bar of AI Smile Design to visible, we can see what the AI created. By also making the design visible, we can compare both of them and make adjustments accordingly. SmileFy, your path to a perfect restorative treatment outcome with digital dentistry.